So, okay, so we've filled in all the boxes. Wonderful, got there in the end. And so, what use is any of this? Gone through all this trouble. Well, let's just do a couple of questions that might illustrate the uses of this. So, you'll get a typical question, an exam, or I mean, it's not just for exams, but let's just do an exam type question, just to ease some of your woes, because a lot of people like to think in terms of exams, and I used to be a bit, it was all about the just passing exams really, rather than the sort of purist aspect of it. I mean, so we have this triangle, and the question is, using the trigonometric ratios of 45, 30 and 60, find the missing length marked x. Okay, so we're just talking about using some trigonometry, but applying these identities that we've just found out. Okay, alright, so let's find x. Well, so we've got so that's the hypotenuse. That'll be the opposite. Let's just make this really nice and clear. So we want the hypotenuse, and we've got the adjacent, and you see I always work backwards. So we want the cosine 45 equals the 8 centimeters over x. Okay, and now this is where the trigonometric identity comes in. So we just have a look. So we've got cos 45 equals this, the square root of 2 over 2. So you've got short-term memory loss. Cos 45 equals square root of 2 over 2. So let's replace the cos 45 with this. So this is the point, and we'll see what we can do this and what happens. Now we have this, so let's make x the subject of a formula. So let's see how the best way to tackle this. Well, it seems to me cross multiplying would be the best way to begin. So if we just do x, and you end up with x over 2 equals 8 over square root of 2, and then let's just take the 2 over. So it's dividing, so let's multiply the 2, so then it's 2 times 8 over the square root of 2. Okay, so that's 16. 16 over the square root of 2, and we don't like to see this on the bottom, so we'll just times it by square root of 2, top and bottom. I've shown you that on another video in this particular chapter, so you might want to flip back. I can't tell you off the top of my head which one it is actually, so you might have to review all the videos all over again. Or in fact, I might actually clip that video into another form. Say I'll put that into a fractions video, so it'll also be in the fractions video set of videos as well, to make it easier to find. So anyway, just to finish this off, so x equals 16 square root of 2 over 2, and that just illustrates how we've utilized these sort of known identities. Let me think, just sort of reviewing the question where the sort of pitfalls are. I mean, we can all do this, all do that, so it's just a case of plugging in these numbers and then just doing a bit of algebraic manipulation. And for that, I would go to the algebra set of videos on algebra, if you want to sort of understand what we've done here, and then we just gone all the way, and I've left it in this because the question I have in front of me is to express it in a surd form. So some of you might not have come across surds and what the hell that means, but essentially for the time being, as far as like the understanding that you need to know, that it just means that we want the square root. Whenever we see a square root of something on the denominator, we just want it on the numerator here, and we've just done that using that. So I'll do a whole section on surds. So just check that out. Check those videos out if you want to know what we've done over here. We'll do another question in the next video, just to ram it home. See you in the next video.